Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. I know it's been a while since I last posted in May of this year. It was a crazy summer and fall, but I'm here with some cleaning motivation to hopefully help you guys get prepared for Christmas. Today I'm getting my house ready to host, so feel free to join in and knock out your to-do list too. Since it has been so long since I last posted, I'd love to know what you guys have been up to this year. Has your family stayed healthy? Has everyone managed to avoid that illness that we can't say here on YouTube? I feel like we just went into 2021 and 2022 is just around the corner, and I'm still trying to recover from 2020. The years just seem to be flying by. Anyway, this year we had a great summer, had a good vacation, celebrated my son's 10th birthday. We also kicked off our second year of homeschool, which has been a blessing more than I ever could have imagined. It's allowed us so much flexibility. And then about a month and a half ago, my son and husband caught the illness that we can't say. And so that threw a wrench in our plans, but thankfully they were able to recover before we took a vacation and then celebrated Thanksgiving with our family. So I'd love to know in the comments down below how you guys are doing, if you've stayed healthy. If you'd love to know our experience with that illness, just let me know. I had it in late 2020, pretty mild case, so I was able to care for my husband and son no problem when they had it. My son's was pretty mild. My husband was pretty ill though. So yeah, let me know in the comments down below if you guys would like to hear that. I can make a video just about that for you guys, and obviously keep it YouTube friendly. But yeah, I would love to know what you guys have been up to, so let me know. So I gotta ask, can you guys tell that I'm wearing a nightgown, or does it look like a Christmas dress? I picked this up a couple of weeks ago at Victoria's Secret and was really surprised at how festive and cute it looks for really any time of year. It's been really warm here some days. I mean, we're talking like 75 one day, 40 degrees the next. So I can wear this on the warmer days and don't even have to bother getting out of my pajamas to go check the mail. to check the mail is as far as I'll go in the dress. I did have to get dressed to go grocery shopping for Christmas dinner. I'd love to know what you guys do. Do you host? Do you go to be with family or friends? What do you guys like to eat for Christmas? For us, it's usually a ham. I cheat and get a honey baked ham, and then we make sides like mac and cheese, green bean casserole, sweet potato casserole. We even have some southern favorites like fried okra, and then I'm also gonna make a banana pudding this year, as well as some sausage pimento cheese balls. So we're really excited. I love to eat, so of course you guys know January 1st we'll be getting that New Year's resolution like we do every year, right? That is it for this video, guys. I hope it gave you some motivation to get your house in order for Christmas, and I hope you all have a Merry Christmas and get to spend lots of downtime with your family and friends. Lord knows the past couple of years have been trying in many ways for everyone, so please take the time for yourself to take care of yourself and your families, and just much love to all of you. I hope to see you all in a new video soon. Bye!